So my name is Alexandre. I'm partnership manager in Mercateam since 4 years now. Right now I'm only focusing in the food industry. So what I like mainly is food because I'm really greedy, but joke aside, no, I really like the fact that in the food industry, you have a lot of sector inside it. Whether you do meat, fish, drinks, snacks, it's very different. So I get to see new things every day, every week. So that's what I love about the food industry sector. The fact that know-how is really important. You can have as many machines as you want. It will never beat your employee that is in your factory since 20, 30, 40 years because he knows stuff that other people doesn't know and that the machine doesn't know. It happened 2 years ago. We met at Global Industry, which is a big exhibition in France. And I met this HR woman, and her job, not a small one, was to create all the process around the training. In this company, there were no skill metrics, no training process, no checklist, no document, nothing. So she said, okay, if I want to do everything from scratch, I should have a tool to help me. So she chose Mercateam, and right now, 2 years later, it's impressive. Mercateam is the school of this company. You get all of their skill, all of their certification, everything related, checklist, quiz, documents. It's like a huge encyclopedia, and I'm amazed by the work they made. Because for this example, we just help them with all the knowledge that we have thanks to our other clients.